Bear washes his hands. Bumbly spots his muddy paws, and the smiling sink encourages washing. Tika wiggles hello. Bumbly claps to the beat near the mirror frame. They agree on the steps. Wet, soap, scrub, rinse, dry, ready to learn. Bumbly mimics Tika's tempo, clapping the 5-step pattern with glee. With a happy nod, Bumbly is ready to sing and wash before snack time. Tika cues the beat. Water shimmers on as the wash-along begins. Wet, wet, wet. Bumbly counts to 5 with a bobbing head and wagging tail. A rainbow soap drop pumps out, palms, backs, and between fingers like peekaboo. Around thumbs like twirly tops, then fingertips on palms like tiny pianos. Bubbles rise into a gentle 20 count. Tika sings, Bumbly answers big and bold. They keep scrubbing to the beat, finishing the sequence with gleeful flair.